Hey guys, welcome to lesson 15 of the TeachATraderToFish course called Studying and Nightly Homework. So the Strat is so repetitive and so fractal in its nature that practice makes perfect, just like with anything else. So when you're learning the Strat, hindsight is an excellent tool to help you build foresight. So when you get into the market and you're trading in real time and using real money, this is going to help build your confidence. So what I would like for you guys to do every night is find a daily Strat setup that hit its magnitude. So anything on this chart. So if you're looking for a bullish setup, you're going to be looking at the left side of the chart. So you want to draw your daily trigger and your daily target. Okay. So I found a nice example on AMD. This is a bullish 2 down, 2 up reversal. So this magnitude is your take action area. So what you're going to do is go down to a smaller time frame. Now, this one moves so fast that I had to go down to the smaller time frames, but you can pick any time frames that you want. You can use a 5-minute, a 15-minute, a 30-minute. And then what you're going to do is you're going to find all the bullish actionable signals in. You're going to mark your trigger and you're going to mark your stop. This is our magnitude. So we're actionable as long as we're in this gray box, okay? So I've got the 3-minute and the 5-minute. So we're just going to mark all of our actionable signals that we see, anything that's bullish. So have this sheet next to you when you're doing this. So you could take the daily trigger right off the bat. That's okay to do, but you're going to have a super tight stop because if it doesn't work, you want to get out of it right away. So there's one entry and a stop. Okay, then we have an inside, a 2-1-2 up. And if you're using a 3-minute candlestick chart, you might, because these candles are smaller, have your candles at the lows instead of the midway point. That's up to you. We have a bullish 1-bar rev strat. Enter when we got 50% of the way through the 1. And then our stop would be at the low of the 1. So there's another way in. 3-2 up. I don't trade continuations like that. So 2 down, 2 down, 2 down, 2 up. Same exact actionable signal that we're trading on the daily, right? And we've hit target 1, right? So you could take partial profits here and see if it keeps going and hits target 2. 2-1-2 up. Stop at the low of the candle. So far, this is the only entry that would have stopped you out. Okay, and that's going to happen sometimes. But if you're in from here, 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 and here, stopping out here is not a big deal. You already are in profit. So keep looking to get back in. You got another outside 3. We get another, 2-1-2 up. Stop's going to go there. Another 2-1-2 up. Stop is going to go there. Didn't quite hit magnitude yet, did we? So we have one last little way in. Boom. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ways to get in and participate in this move with clear stops. And then boom, once you hit your daily pivot high target, that's of course where you want to fully exit. And if you just do this every night, practice, and then you can do it on the 5-minute chart. The 5-minute chart had a lot fewer entries, really only this 2-1-2 up. So 1, and then a 1 bar rev strat, an outside bar, 2. That was it. So when things are really moving, sometimes you have to go down to the smaller time frames to get in. And again, the more you do this, the stronger and more confident you're going to be in the strat and in your entries and your stops. Okay, here's an example of a bearish 2-1-2 on the daily, 2-1-2 down. So then you'll look for bearish actionable signals on a smaller time frame. So again, always mark your trigger, mark target 1, mark target 2, and then we know this is our what? Our take action window. So here's the 5-minute on Walmart. Again, if you want, you can always take the daily trigger, but your stop has to be a new high of day. Okay, so there's 1. Then we get a bearish 2-1-2 down, and that's target 1. So we did hit target 1, and then your stop, you can have at the high of the candle or the 50% mark. Okay, 2 down, 2 down, 2 down. That's continuation. That's not actionable signals. We get another 2-1-2 down. Two down, 2 down, 2 down, boom, final target hit. And then look at that rally away. So that's why we teach and train you guys to always exit at your main targets, because this happens after that, because that's smart bears closing their positions and covering, and they have to buy to close. So, and then you can do it again on the 3-minute. So again, you can take the daily trigger, stop goes at high of day, 2 down, 2 down, 2 up, 2-1-2 down. So entry there, stop there, continuation, again, 2-1-2 down. And then we get a bearish 2 up, 2 down. So that's another entry. Stop there, boom, target hit, exit. So this is exactly how I want you to be doing this. And again, your stops can also be at 50, depending on how tight you want your stops to be. Do this, I promise you're going to learn so much faster. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one.